Hello, what's up mga idol at bossing ko? Maligayang pagbabalik sa aking munting channel. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa panibagong upload. Marami na naman po tayong mga bagong dating na unit. Kaya sa mga kababayan kong naghahanap ng sasakyan dyan, panoorin nyo po ito mga bossing. Pwede nyo rin pong bisitahin ang aking Facebook page, J Catskill Vlogs. Marami rin po tayong unit na nakapost doon. Let's start! Pero bago nating simulan, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe at kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, paki-like and subscribe naman po at isama mo ng notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga video na i-upload ko. Check this out, nangunguna sa ating lineup, 2020 Suzuki Vitara 1.5 GLX, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer 30,000 km, price 680,000. Location Las Piñas City. Top of the line series with sunroof na po itong unit. Naka-keyless entry na po ito, push start button, multi-function steering wheel with cruise control, naka-touchscreen head unit with reverse camera and sensor, 6-speed automatic transmission, smooth po ang shifting, responsive, walang delay, clean and fresh intact interior, 5-seater capacity. Check nyo po cargo bay nito, saktong laki, marami rin po kayong may lalagay dyan. Under the hood, naka 1.5 liter gas engine that produces 115 horsepower at 156 Nm of torque. Excellent engine condition, no hidden defects. Available po itong unit sa financing, plus check ng competition, nasa screen. All stock, all original, outside appearance, smooth shiny paint, naka 17 inches two-toned alloy wheels, at makakapal pang mga gulong nito, nasa 90% trade line. Next, 2020 acquired Honda Brio 1.2V, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer 50,000 km, price 530,000. Location Las Piñas City. Quality na Honda Brio, ang ganda ng kulay. Naka full garnish set na rin po ito. Well-maintained unit, all power and all mechanism working po lahat. Naka CVT transmission, naka deep dish matting na po ang unit na to. Fresh and clean, naka two-tone leather seat cover po. Kaya sa mga naghahanap ng first car nila, pwede nyo pong i-consider to. Perfect to pang everyday use, pampasok sa work. Check nyo po engine bay nito under the hood. Naka 1.2 liter single overhead cam VTEC gasoline engine that produces 89 horsepower at 110 Nm of torque. No leaks, no overheat history po ang engine na to. Available din po itong unit sa financing, plus check ng computation po, nasa screen. Flawless po ang unit na to. Smooth shiny paint. Wala po itong gas-gas, walang din. Sa cash payment, negotiable pa po ito upon viewing at free na po ang transfer of ownership. Next, 2012 Chevrolet Spark 1.2 LT, manual transmission, gas engine, odometer 85,000 km, price 170,000. Location Las Piñas City. Sa mga naghahanap dyan ng maayos na low budget, formado na po ito, 5-speed manual transmission, smooth ang shifting, walang delay. 2012 model to pero well maintained and well preserved ng owner. Maayos po itong manakbo at wala po itong kalampag. Malamig ang aircon ng unit. Sa mga marunong mag-manual dyan, pwede nyo pong puntahan to, ma-view nyo ng actual, ma-test drive at ma-check. Naka-leather seat cover pa po itong unit, fresh and clean interior. Sulit po itong unit kuhanin. Check nyo po ang trunk space nito, halatang hindi po masyadong nakakargahan. Kakarating lang po nito, edidated at ibabapping pa po ito. Under the hood, wala po itong oil leakage, wala po itong overheat history. Naka 1.2 liter gas engine that produces 80 horsepower at 111 Nm of torque. Smooth manakbo, no engine issue. Ang gwapo ng forma nitong unit, may rough carrier na po yan, naka-mugs, at ang mga gulong nito nasa 85% trade line pa po. Kompleto ang mga papel nito at naka-registered to hanggang 2025. Next, we have 2001 Toyota Corolla Altis 1.8G, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer 140,000 km, price 180,000. Location Las Piñas City. Meron din akong sinamang Toyota Altis, pasok din sa budget nyo to. Kahit 2001 model to, well maintained and well preserved, kita naman sa itsura. Naka touchscreen head unit na rin yan with Bluetooth ready. Smooth and responsive ang transmission, wala pong delay, smooth, swabe. All goods po ito at lahat po ng power buttons working. Malinis ang loob nito, mga upuan, naka leather seat cover na po yan. At solid ang under chassis, wala pong kalampak. Check nyo po engine bay nito under the hood. Naka 1.8 liter VVTi engine, no talsik, no usok, no blow-by. Sa mga interesado po, pwede nyo pong i-view ng actual ang unit and you can bring your trusted mechanic. Unli check, unli test drive naman po tayo dito. Kompleto po ang mga papel nito, updated po ang registration. Next, 2017 Ford Ranger 2.2 XLT 4x2, automatic transmission, diesel engine, odometer 60,000 km, price 690,000. Location Las Piñas City. Sa naghahanap naman dyan ng pickup na below 700k ang budget, loaded na po ito. May electronic stability and traction control system, multi-function steering wheel with cruise control. Ang isa pang maganda sa Ford Ranger, ang lambot po ng manobela nito. All power buttons, working po lahat. Smooth ang suspension nito, wala po itong under chassis noise. May bidliner cover na rin to, nothing to fix, sasakyan mo na lang to. Under the hood, naka 2.2 liter diesel engine that produces produces 158 horsepower at 385 Nm of torque. Smooth and quiet engine, no issue. Kasama rin po itong unit sa financing. Paka-check na lang po ng computation, nasa screen. Formado na po itong unit, naka-flare fender. Maganda at malinis ang mugs nito, walang gutter marks. Naka-safe rich mud hunter na gulong, makakapal pa po. Quality unit, just diesel and go. 2016 Kia Picanto 1.2EX, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer 60,000 km, price 330,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Sa mga kumari natin dyan na naghahanap ng first car na hatchback na automatic transmission, clean and fresh interior, naka-dual SRS airbag, malamig ang aircon with automatic climate control, naka-leather seat cover ang upuan, elegant and presentable interior. Lahat po ng unit na kasama sa ating upload, 100% not flooded unit, 100% no accident history. Under the hood, clean and smooth engine, naka 1.2 liter gas engine that produces 86 horsepower at 120 Nm of torque. Available din po itong unit natin sa financing. Ayan po yung computation, nasa screen. Naka all-in down payment na po tayo dyan. Kung cash basis po, negotiable upon viewing at free na po ang transfer of ownership. Kung meron naman kayong unit dyan na existing, pwede nyo pong dalhin sa shop para i-trade in. 2013 Nissan X-Trail 2.5 Xtronic 4x4, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer 78,000 km, price 398,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Mayroon din tayong gwapo at fresh na X-Trail, multi-function steering wheel with cruise control, mated with continuously variable transmission, auto 6-speed sequential with 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive option, ice-cold aircon with automatic climate control, all-power steering, windows, doors and mirrors, working po lahat, all stock, all original itong unit. 2013 model to pero well-maintained and well-preserved unit to ng first owner. Kita naman sa itsura ng mga upuan, naka-factory leather pa po yan, upuan pati sidings. Clean and intact ang interior at ang mga pang-ilalim nito, wala po itong kalampag. 5-seater capacity at ang maganda pa dito, maluwag po ang cargo bay nito. Under the hood, naka 2.5 liter inline 4-cylinder gas engine that produces 125 horsepower at 226 Nm of torque. Powerful engine, no issue. Presentable original shiny paint, must see the unit to appreciate. Mga gulong nito, nasa 85% trade line pa po. LTO and HPG verified at naka-registered to hanggang 2025. Next, 2016 Nissan Urban NB350 2.4L, manual transmission, diesel engine, odometer 79,000 km, price 590,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Sa mga naghahanap dyan ng van na pasok sa budget, pwedeng-pwede to, pang service, pang family, pang business, smooth driving, smooth and responsive 5-speed manual transmission, malamig ang aircon nitong unit, komportable po yung mga sasakay dito, standard 15-seater capacity at maayos po kondisyon ng mga upuan nito. Check nyo po engine bay nito under the hood, naka 2.4 liter diesel engine that produces 127 horsepower at 356 Nm of torque, smooth engine condition, ready for long drive. Available din po itong unit sa financing, plus check ng computation, nasa screen. Sulit na sulit pa po itong unit kahit 2016 model. Maayos ang kondisyon nito, outside appearance, ang maganda yung pagkaputi. Makinis po ito, nothing to fix, just diesel and go. Next, 2019 Toyota Fortuner 2.7G 4x2, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer 58,000 km, price 950,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Naka-automatic tailgate na to, may reverse camera na to at rear parking sensor sa naghahanap dyan ng Toyota Fortuner. 6-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifter. Meron na rin tong cruise control. 7 to 8 seater capacity, clean and fresh intact interior. Private use only, not bank repo. Will maintain to ng first owner. Under the hood, naka 2.7 liter gas engine that produces 163 horsepower at 245 Nm of torque. No talsik, no usok, no blow-by. Good running condition po ito. Kasama rin po itong unit sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng computation, nasa screen. Overall appearance itong unit, excellent condition. Wala po itong gas-gas, walang din. Sa mga interesado, andyan po sa taas yung smart and WhatsApp account ko po, or you can comment down below sa video para ma-assist ko po kayo. Next, we have 2015 acquired Mitsubishi Montero Sport 2.5 GLX 4x2, automatic transmission, diesel engine, odometer 70,000 km, price 640,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Another SUV, 7 to 8 seater capacity, naka touchscreen head unit na rin po ito. 6-speed automatic transmission with Tiptronic shifting. Malinis ang interior at maluwag po ang second row nito. Naka leather seat cover, naka ice cold dual aircon, perfect yung unit pang personal and family use sa mga mahilig mag-travel dyan. Under the hood, naka 2.5 liter diesel engine that produces 135 horsepower at 314 Nm of torque. Excellent running condition, ready for long drive. Available din po itong unit sa financing. Ayan po yung ulit yung computation, nasa screen. Naka-stock 18 inches alloy wheels at wala pong splatter marks, mga gulong neto, naka-bridges to, nasa 85% trade line pa. Kompleto ang mga papel nito, ready for transfer at naka-registered to hanggang 2025. Next, we have 2013 Hyundai Tucson 2.0 CRDI 4x4 automatic transmission, diesel engine, odometer, 70,000 km, price 450,000. Location Las Piñas City. Meron din tayong 4-wheel drive na compact crossover SUV, baka may kursunalan nito sa inyo. Hyundai Tucson na diesel po yung engine, 6-speed automatic transmission, all power and all mechanism, 100% working, 5-seater ang capacity, 100% not flooded unit, 100% no accident history. Under the hood, naka 2.0 liter diesel engine that produces 110 horsepower at 245 Nm of torque. Malinis ang engine, wala po itong tagas ng langis at wala po itong overheat history. Available din po itong unit sa financing. Ayan po ulit yung competition, nasa screen. Sipatin nyo pong mabuti ang unit na to, maayos pa po itong unit. Mechanic inspected naman tong mga unit bukod sa checking ko, kaya maayos po itong unit natin, di po ako mapapaya sa inyo. Next, 2018 Honda Civic 1.8e automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer 40,000 km, price 780,000. Location Las Piñas City. Gwapong gwapo, sporty look. Meron din tayong Honda Civic, loaded na po ito. Push start button na to, may touchscreen head unit with reverse camera and sensor, naka CVT transmission with eco mode and sports mode. Safety features nito, meron na po itong anti-lock braking system with electronic brake force distribution. First owned unit at solid po ang under chassis nito, wala pong unwanted noise. Under the hood, guaranteed no engine issue, naka 1.8 liter gas engine that produces 139 horsepower at 174 Nm of torque. Superb engine condition. Available din po itong unit sa financing. Plus check ng computation ulit, nasa screen. Kung cash basis, negotiable upon viewing at free na po ang transfer of ownership. Sa mga interesado at para sa mabilis na transaksyon, andyan po sa taas yung smart and WhatsApp account ko po. I-assist ko po kayo. Next, 2019 Toyota Avanza 1.3e manual transmission, gas engine, odometer 20,000 km, price 595,000. Location Las Piñas City. Kung may naghahanap naman dyan ng 7-seater MPV na low mileage at manual ang transmission, check nyo po ito mga bossing. Power steering na po ito, naka dual SRS airbag at malamig ang aircon. Malinis po ang loob nito, nakatutong leather seat cover ang mga upuan. Best buy unit to, alaga po ito ng first owner at ang maganda pa dito, mababa lang po yung mileage na tinakbo. Under the hood, garantisadong wala pong problema ang makina. Fuel efficient engine, naka 1.3 liter gas engine that produces 95 horsepower at 121 Nm of torque. Available din po itong unit sa financing. Plus check ulit ng computation, nasa screen. For more quality units, pwede nyo rin pong bisitahin ang aking Facebook page, J Catskill Vlogs. Marami rin po tayong unit na nakapost doon para marami po kayong choices na pagpipilian. Next, 2016 Ford Everest 2.2 Trend 4x2 automatic transmission, diesel engine, odometer 60,000 km, price 745,000. Location Las Piñas City. Ang ganda rin itong Ford Everest kahit 2016 model. Well-maintained and well-preserved din ito. Multi-function steering wheel with cruise control, multi-info display, may phone connectivity, may auxiliary and Bluetooth ready. Naka-all leather ng mga upuan. 7 to 8 seater ang capacity nito. Pristine interior condition, all intact. Under the hood, smooth and quiet engine, naka 2.2 liter diesel engine that produces 158 horsepower at 385 Nm of torque. Pasok din po itong unit sa financing. Ayan po ulit yung computation, nasa screen. 100% no accident history, 100% not flooded unit. First owner acquired, ready to use po ang unit, just diesel and go. Next, we have 2015 Ford Explorer 1.6 SE EcoBoost automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer 60,000 km, price 455,000. Location Las Piñas City. May sinama rin akong Ford Explorer, baka may naghanap sa inyo nito. Multi-info display, may phone connectivity, may auxiliary and Bluetooth ready. Meron na rin tong voice command, ice cold aircon with automatic climate control, naka leather seat cover ng mga upuan nito, all intact interior, malinis po ang sidings nito pati ceiling. Under the hood, no talsik, no usok, no blow by, guaranteed no engine issue. Malinis po ito, wala po itong oil leakage at wala po itong overheat history. Available din po itong unit sa financing. Ayan po yung computation sa screen. Alright, ayan na po lahat ang upload natin for today's video. Sana po may makursunadahan kayo at kung wala pa po dyan yung unit na kursunada nyo, just comment down below sa video at hahanapan ko po kayo. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Marami pong salamat. This is J Catskill Vlogs. Peace out!